Good afternoon, sir.
Hi.
Mr. Smith. I see you are booked in for a wash and cut today.
Yes.
So, what can you tell me? What are we going to do for you today?
Okay, so before I went on a cruise, I had my hair colored and cut, and I really wasn't happy with like the sides and the back. Um, but what would you suggest I do? Because I'm not really happy with it.
Okay, well, depends on how long you want it. Do you prefer clippers on the side?
No clippers.
No clippers. Okay, so then we're only going to do, then I'm going to use only by hand and
Okay.
scissor. So I would then say, let's take it nice and short, but not too short,
Mm.
nicely blended to the top.
Mm-mm.
Okay. I do hear that you say that you had it colored before.
Yes.
Obviously, being on the cruise, may I suggest to you a bit of a toner on your hair, as I can see
Yes.
that your hair has been lightened.
Yeah.
But being on a cruise ship, obviously being in the swimming pool and in the jacuzzi, there is chemicals, so it does alter the hair color. So, if I may, I would suggest doing a nice toner just to get rid of the warm tones into
Yes.
of the hairs. Does that sound good to you?
Absolutely.
Okay, so then I would definitely say let's go wash and do a nice cool down toner and then do a nice neat haircut. Just soften not too short. As you said, no clippers being used, and that would be good for you. Does that sound good for you?
Yes, absolutely.
Great stuff.
Thank you.
Okay.